Hey, and hello again, everybody. Welcome back. Another episode of Hands On with BLG. I am in the motorhome. It's hot out here, but it's been sitting a while. It's been driven, but it's been sitting. Cobwebs and shit everywhere. Fucking palmetto bugs have been making a mess. It needs cleaned up. The floors have been traced on and tracked around. You see what I mean? Needs all vacuumed. And I don't like that fucking rug. I'm going to try my damnedest to rip that bitch out of here. I pulled the trim piece off the bottom of the door from down there. So we're going to just basically vacuum and get this bitch ready to camp in again real quick. Like, it's not going to take much. Like I said, it's just basically just been sitting dirty. Air conditioner's on. Yeah. So I guess first off, how am I going to do this? Maybe from, nope, not from there. Maybe move this. There's crap everywhere. Okay, pull this out of here, move it to here. Can I get some kind of a shot of this stupid fucking rug? Yes, I can. First, hi, I'm Lefty. Let's try to get that piece of shit tore the fuck out of here. It's factory and I keep tripping over it because it's all warped. Up there, that end. Right there, and there. It's all wore out and nasty looking. Let's see if I can tear this bitch out of here. I'm just going to give it the old gorilla pull, see what the fuck happens. Little spiders are climbing around in here and shit. Yes, I did bring my beers. A couple of them. 2 beers are to do this. Stupid fly. Stupid fly. I used to have a fly swatter in here too. Go to the door, fly. Huh. Yes, go to the door. I might have got him, I'm not sure. Let me get a sip of beer here real quick. Now, I'm going to grab hold of said carpet, and I'm going to pull for every fucking John Henry I fucking... Okay. Got? Rip this bitch up out of here. Don't fucking like it. Let go, you piece of shit rug. And I'm going to open the door. That wasn't as hard as I thought. Fuck you and fuck you. Get the... And fuck you. Get out. Hoy! Okay, so I got that out of there. Not too shabby, huh? Oh, that looks much better already. I know there's staples and stuff, pieces. I'm throwing them in there. I got a garbage can in the bathroom there. So throw all that away. Whatever came up. See, there's little staples and nails and shit. That'll all come up just like this. It should, and it is. I'll vacuum all this shit out. And this motherfucker will be a lot better than it was. Yes! Yes! Oh, it's crap. Alright. So I'm going to take a breather. And I'm going to, look how much better that looks. Now, does that not look a lot better to you? No tripping hazard. If I want to carpet a rug, the old BLG man will put a rug the fuck in. And I have one too if I want to. So anyways, I'm going to let it cool off in here a bit and sip the rest of this beer. And we'll commence busting out that vacuum cleaner and vacuum this bitch. Vacuum it out and have it ready. Got the new mattress. Check this out, people. I know this light doesn't work. No, that circuit's gone. New mattress, brand new, almost 350 bucks. Brand new, never sleeped it on. Very nice mattress. Nice. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be. A little smaller than the other one, but it'll work. It'll do the trick. Oh, it's all we need is someplace to sleep. So yeah, see after a little bit when it cools off a touch. And I'll fire that hot ass vacuum cleaner up and we'll suck all this crap out of here. Alright, let's start by firing this thing up and cleaning out the cockpit. Yes, yes. I just basically need this hose. I hope it's going to work long enough to reach. Something like this. And I'm going to, wow, this is going to be difficult, folks. It's going to fight me. Seatbelts out. I'm going to try turn this around and try to get down here with it. Yeah, maybe this will work. I can drag it around as I need. Because there's a bunch of crap down here. Bunch of stuff down here. Get up. Go in there. There we go. That's getting in. Oh yeah. That's getting in. Shoes in the way, of course. You know whose shoes these are, but they're not mine. Get up in there. Everybody, that's as far as I reach. Okay. Well, let's just dust this. All this dusted up. Alright, now I gotta swing. Try to bring this down to here. Yeah. Now I got some room. Get down here. Bring all this up down. Looking on the knife. Wow. Hard to believe I didn't drove this to go pick up the mattress. But it was filthy. It was filthy when I got in. We've been driving it, just not staying in it, camping. So I guess it's understandable. Come on, get around my knee. I need to reach here. Yes, now we're talking. This is stuck. Spider webs and what have you, it's all stuck up in here. They kiss my ass. Air conditioner's starting to cool off. It's feeling really nice. I like that. We'll go around here. See if I can reach the floor down here. I think I can. Sure I can. Throw this in. Up along here. Alright. Now let me get over here. Get this side. I got cobwebs all sticking around. Them all sucked up, and spiders, what have you, it's all sucked up out of here. Carpet. Something there. Nice, nice. This guy's not Eric bad, though. I tried to most of the time. Let's see what I can get. Seat. Around here, that is the cockpit. Looks good. Alright. Now I gotta jump this up out of here. That looks very much better. Very, very good. I'll show you. Just give me a second here. But hey, check this out. Man, much cleaner. Look at this. Clean floor mats, clean seats, no spider webs. Hey, I'll take it. Actually, I should probably run around up here next. I'll get this up here quick, Dustin, I suppose. I don't think I need that thing, just this. See what I can do. Just kind of, yeah, everything fall off of this thing. Run around up here a bit. Make sure there's nothing up around in here. I don't think there really is much. A little bit there, a little spider will suck his ass up. I get you all. There we go, we got the top part. Now I'm going to vacuum. Howdy folks, now we're going to vacuum this floor. This one right down there. I've got the vacuum set up in reverse here so I can work with the cord and stuff. It's a good length cord on this thing. I'm going to start vacuuming the main rug. Then run over the couch and stuff. Which goes just like mowing your house, just like vacuuming your house. Just gonna run around here, get everything sucked up, looking sweet, nice and clean. It even smells better in here already. Make sure you get right up against the sides here, which is not easy to do. Right up against the sides. Under the table, under the table. Why won't you pick up? I'm not sure. Try this. And there we go. And you, there we go. Get all this away from here. Get all that. Nice, nice. Yeah, now we're looking good. Now we're looking good. Alright, back to here, just vacuuming, picking up everything we can get. Let them bristles eat. Okay, now I'm going to have to do this corner here, and this won't reach here. Alright, that's looking good. Now the cord's in my way, as usual. Now the cord's even worse in my way, as usual. Alright, now we're down to this section, right straight down here. And the stairs. We're going to do this area. Same thing. Run it out. Get everything you possibly can. Still seeing stuff that didn't pick up. Very common. But I'm getting most of it. Getting it good enough, you know what I mean? Back here for the stairs. The cord has got too much slack in it. I can't control it. There we go. Wow, that looks better. Alright. Get where this stupid rug was. Alright, we're looking good. I'll get the stairs, just give me a second. Alright, come back around this way. Can't reach that spot. I'll get it with the thingy. Come on. It won't reach that spot. Won't reach there. I'll get it. Okay, anyways, go through the stairs real quick. Lift up, hit that way. Turn around and hit this way. I can't let it go because I'm in my own way, but I can at least get the stairs. And it unplugged itself. So you plug it back in. You get this bad boy back on here. Yes, the cord is in the way, I know. It's a common thing with vacuum cleaners. It won't reach, the hose is way too short. And trying, there we go. Come along these sides here like this. Get all this crap out of here. God. God. I'll get most of it. Down along the bottom here. Try to. It won't go that angle, of course. It's a vacuum cleaner. Now we're talking. All this crap out of the screen. Like that. Down in here. Little basket under here I want to get. There we go. It ain't perfect, but by God, it's better than it was. It won't shut off. Okay, so I'm going to take that from there. Hi. I'm going to finish vacuuming the floor. I'm going to take a quick break and cool off and finish vacuuming the rest of the floor. There's not much left. There's just like from here around the bed and the bathroom. So that's about all I got left to vacuum in here. So I'll see you guys in just a little while. I gotta take a break. I hope you can see it. Alright folks, I've cooled off a little bit and I've decided I'm going to shoot for the high ends first. There's some stuff hanging out up here. It's a little bit nasty. I'm going to try to get this stuck up out of here, which means I got to pick this up and work the weird angle so I can get this right out of here. Looking like brand new, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All this crap up out of here that's been hanging out. Like so. Yes. Alright. Now, let us turn our attention this direction. Whoa, can't set you down. Bunch of crap and cobwebs here. Keys. Good spot to hang keys. Let's pick this up. Get all this crap out of here. Best you can. Suck up all this shit. Right on up now. Yeah. Cabinets have been closed the whole time. There shouldn't be anything up in there. And down the stairs. Like this. Alright. Camera move again. Look what the fuck they did to my stove. Our stove is fucked up. Well, let's just do this. Guess I'll tear it off. Don't worry. I'm getting there. Just want to get what I can so shit don't fly everywhere. Alright? Alright. Now, take these off. They should come off. Okay, one side should. Take these guys off here. Hit this. All around here. Quick wiped out, but I'm not worried about that right yet. Right now, just get all the crap out of here. All up off the here. Looking good. All up here. Good. Back over there. Good. This should lift up. I'll get all up under here if I can. Ow! I'll get, I said, up under, if I can, I need, what? You locked in again. I need that off of here. I want this one. Get all this out of here. Clean this out too, because it's all full. Clean, okay, that won't come out. You know, because it's a vacuum. Get all this up out of here. Ouch! Okay, then when it's screwed, nope, there it is. I'm working on it. Get all this out of here. Top whip, bullshit. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Get all clean, you bastard. Easiest way to do it, folks. It's a struggle with a vacuum cleaner with a very short hose, but it's fucking work. There we go. Yes, get all that shit out of here. You don't need to be in here. There we go. There we go, baby. All this up in here. And that. Clean it up to use. I don't know why this won't come out of here. Let's go away. You go away. Everybody here goes away. Yes. Yes, this place is going to get another bug bomb too. But for now, I just want to make it where it's livable and able to be used if we need to. The mama can come out and do the finishing dusting. Got an extra screw here. Got down the hardware drawer. Alright. Okay, now you can see the bathtub needs a little run around, a little cleaning, and then the floor in the bathroom. So I'm going to do that real quick. Hey, there you are. Hi. How are you? I'm going to run around the bathroom right quick. Get the spiders like that guy. Son of a bitch. I'll get all these guys sucked up out of here and we'll be good to go. Be right back. Alright folks, there you go. It's all vacuumed out. It just needs the bathtub scrubbed. No more buggies, no more spideries. That's the generator you hear running. Everything looks good to go. Clean, swept off. I just got to put that piece of trim from there back down there at the very bottom of the carpet. And that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the episode. There's not much going on today. It was only a little after 2 when I came out here and nobody had posted much of anything to watch. So I decided to do something about it. So anyways, thanks for watching. And for Hands On with BLG, for BLG I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. Catch you guys in the next video. Till then, people, peace and camp out. Peace out, everybody. Bye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.